Don't touch my head. Be honest, you want it.
Oh, now, yeah.
Hi everyone, Tanya Jason here, and today I'm gonna present to you with a hair paint video. So I'm gonna be using all of those, and all of those are gonna be linked down below in the description box. So I purchased the pack of 6 colors, so I already had many colors in this pack, so I find it more useful than just one color and way cheaper to buy it in a pack of 6 than just one. So I'm gonna start by doing my hairstyle first, because today I'm gonna do 2 buns. And I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna actually use a little bit of green and a little bit of gold. So I'm gonna start by just doing my hairstyle, basically doing 2 puffs, and I'm gonna be using Eco Stylo gel with that. And then I'm gonna start by applying, when my hairstyle is done, I'm gonna be applying the hair color, which is the hair wax in green, to the roots. And then I'm gonna add the gold to the ends, which is my curly buns. And so this hair paint is really convenient for if you have an event and you want to change color, or you want to add some glitter or kind of hair color that you don't want to do on your hair and dye and damage your hair. This is a really good option if you just want to have fun with your hair with colors without breaking them. So that is it for me today. Don't forget you can get those hair paint wax through my links down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.